Blank name on FB Lite tutorial. Open your internet connection. Go to your Facebook Lite. Click menu. Go to settings. Click settings. Click personal information. Click edit name. Enter the symbol. The symbol is in the description box below. Copy and paste it here to change name. It's so very small. This is the symbol, very small. I zoom it up to 600%. That's the symbol we will use to change name, and it appears blank name on Facebook Lite. Copy this symbol. Link is in the description below. Go back to your Facebook Lite. Paste the symbol here. Click Review Change. Enter your Facebook password. Click Save Changes. Click back and see the results. Refresh or reload. That's it, thanks for watching. Don't forget to click subscribe button for more informative video tutorial updates. Thank you.